Hello everyone, so if you want to set up Face Unlock on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, you are to open up your settings. Now in your settings, you're to scroll down to your passwords and security tab. Here it is, fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now, to enable your face data, press Face Unlock. You're to confirm your PIN, or you will be prompted to set one if you don't have it yet. Now press next. Now you need to put your face on the camera and make sure that all parts of your face aren't covered by the objects and clearly visible. So press start. You've got your attention node, press next, and follow the simple on-screen instructions. So it was quite fast. You can rename your face, for example, face me, I don't know. Press done. And here you can add up more faces if you want to, of course, right? For more people, or if it's not working well, there could be many reasons for that. And basically that's it. Now let's try to turn it off and turn it on only by using our face. And as you see, I just did it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.